I did a literacy research project on light pollution. My name is Athena Perez. Okay, some background on why I chose this project was that ever since fourth grade, when I took a trip to the Grand Canyon, I've been interested in light pollution because I got to see the night sky and all the stars for the first time. And it made me very interested in why I couldn't see it back home. Until then, what is light pollution? Light pollution is excess light that is being emitted off of outdoor light fixtures, and it shows up as glare, which is something that affects people's vision when they're outside. Sky glow, which is the reason why we can't see the stars. It blocks all the light upwards. There's light trespasses when the street lights go into the street or your neighbor's yard and things like that. There's also clutter where there's an excess light. There's an excess group of lighting that is blocking, that is unnecessary. And why you should care. Light pollution affects all animals and living organisms from zooplankton in the sea to us humans. Zooplankton need a certain amount of blue and green light emitted into the ocean to be able to live, and light pollution affects the light that's being emitted to them. There's baby sea turtles. They used to be able to use the moon as the brightest light to go into the ocean when they hatch, but now the street lights are brighter, and so sometimes they get confused and start heading towards the streets. And then there's trees that when the street lights are on at night, it confuses them at what's day and what night. So it affects their circadian rhythm, and it also makes it difficult to develop dormancy so that they can survive the winter weather. And birds, they get glare and it makes them disoriented and crashes into buildings and other types of things. And humans, it actually affects our melatonin levels when we're trying to sleep. And so it also affects our circadian rhythm. Other reasons is that 30% of outdoor lighting is wasted. That's basically just going straight up into the air. That wasted light adds up to $3 billion a year, and it also releases 21 million tons of carbon dioxide. Also, only 8 in 10 Americans can see the Milky Way from where they live, and the Milky Way is no longer visible for 1/3 of the whole world. And also with light pollution, it affects professional astronomers to collect data because they can't collect proper data when there's so much sky glow blocking what they're trying to collect. And I have a video that just shows an example of how much light pollution is in our skies. Okay. In the video, they are using the Bortle scale, which is from 1 to 9, to see how much light pollution is in each area. And you can tell the difference from the 9 area to the 1 area. Most of us live in like a 7 to 8 area on the Bortle scale. And then there's some solutions. The main problem is that a lot of the outdoor street lights don't have proper shielding, and it makes the lights go in places that are not needed. So proper shieldings are a proper solution. See, like here is an image from outer space where you can see all the light that is emitted upwards from improper shielding. Another solution is dimmers, and motion sensors, so that you only use like your home lights when they're needed. And there's also colors. LED lights actually work a lot better than other types of lights, but then also the color of the light matters. Amber lights, which are the darker orange ones, have been shown to work better and minimize the blue light that's scattered in the atmosphere. Also, another main thing is communities making themselves a dark sky community. And what those communities do is they help use proper lightings, so they have more chances to see the stars at night, less light pollution, health issues. They also educate more about dark skies. And then my experience in this project, I had a great experience working with my mentor. I was very excited to work with someone who works in fields of my interest. And I got to learn a lot more about light pollution and what dark sky does. And the only issue I really had was just the different time zones of me and my mentor. And thank you.